Making this trim turned out a little easier than I thought. I just had to cut 45-degree miters and I forget to get the degree of angle. They came together really well. I just used a little glue and some pin nails to kind of hold them together till they dried. I'm just using a satin polyacrylic water-based finish that goes on pretty easily. Put 2 coats on. If it was a dining room table, I'd use at least 3 coats. Really made the walnut pop. What do you think? I used my carpenter square and my Craig measuring tool to get the same reveal all the way around. I use a shop-made awl to tap a little starter hole, and then I get my depth of cut. The wood was a little thicker than 3/4. I'm just drilling my holes. This all depends on the size of your screw. I was just reusing the existing hardware. The client wanted to replace the fake wood with walnut. One thing I didn't show was connecting the trim to the top piece. I just did that with some nails, with my nail gun. Just be sure you're not splitting or going too long with your nails. I like how it turned out. I just used a cove bit to get that little detail on the bottom. Makes it look a lot better. Let me know what you think. This is walnut, and I thought it turned out pretty well. My friend was really happy too. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.